Hello, come to talk to you today about Khan Academy. It's a great educational website for all subject areas. You can work on all disciplines with this. If you're an educator, you can have your students do it. If you're a parent, you can have your kids get on it. It's a great website. Here it talks about all the different benefits, personal learning. You can trust the content and tools to empower teachers. So here, it works on everything. You can log in, get your district all logged in, and you can use it as a district. You can log in as a learner, as a student, a teacher, district, or a parent, if you want to do that. Here, like I said, it works on all discipline. You can go here, click on courses, and it gives you all the courses that you may have from grades, preschool all the way through high school. All right. We're going to give you a little example of how it works. Okay, let's say we're a first grader. We want to work on math skills. Just click on first grade. All right, and you go here, and if you're working, they have the different areas you may be working on. Counting, ones and tens, two-digit numbers. You go here, you click on it, and it'll get you started. Adding and subtraction, measurements. And at the end of each, you can go in and you just click on it says course challenge. It'll compile all the different things you may have worked on, and it'll be one test. You can see how you're doing or how you done what you learned. All right. Here, you just click on one and see. Here you got counting grids. All right. Down at the bottom, it has different ones where you can practice before you actually do the assigned number. You just practice it first. And then here you can take a quiz on it if you think you've mastered that lesson. All right, here, let's go back and look at some others. All right, it got all the way up to 8th grade, all the subjects. Let's see here. Let's do biology. You have a kid that's struggling in biology, they can come onto this site. They can practice. They maybe can work on some skills that are being taught in class. Maybe they're in a biology class here and they're talking about you just click on it here. And like I said, it gives you examples. All right. And you go here where you can practice. Practice on it before you start. Now this works well with all subjects. It goes to the 8th grade here in math, and then you start doing the higher level maths. Same thing with your science. And you can do arts, history, and over here, for the upper level kids, you can work on your SAT. Here you got calculus, computer programming, and you got economic and finances. And you can even do college and career classes over here as well. As you stroll down through this, it gives you all kind of examples. When you're done, just go here to your course challenge. All right, got 30 problems. It gives you 30 minutes to take this quiz or test. Then you go from there. All right. Once again, it's a great website, even for advanced learners, students, teachers. Go on Khan Academy, work on it, see how. This is Khan Academy, and my name is Tim Cole. Thank you for listening.